Okie dokie, update time. The bird was over there. Now he's kind of chilling out back here. We've come to the conclusion that it's a baby and it has some parents.
Where'd it go, Jacob?
It's hiding back like in between the fence posts. Okay. Well, goodbye then, Mr. Bird. So YouTube, you know he survived!
No. Go around the front.
What? Why would I have to do that? So, the bird, he decided it was a baby. You've seen some parents probably. I'm just kind of circling around. It's fine. We'll maybe do an update video tomorrow if we can still see it.
Maybe, not enough.
If we can see it. And it survived. So, see you guys.